In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dock audio in Premiere Pro. Now, audio docking is the process of balancing the volume of your background music with the volume of your vocals. So for example, here I have this clip over here, which is a vocal clip. You can tell by this vocal sign over here. And I have a music clip over here, and you can tell by this music over here. So Premiere Pro AI has automatically detected the difference between a music file and a vocal file. The next thing you need to do is to come over to Essential Sound over here. Now, if you come over to Windows here, just for those who cannot find Essential Sound, you can come over here and check Essential Sound. Now, to dock the background music over here, make sure that is the background music that you are selecting. Then come over to Essential Graphics over here and move down to docking and make sure that docking is checked. You can dock against a dialogue clip like what we're about to do over here, or you can dock against another music. You can dock against an FX sound, you can dock against ambience clip, and you can dock against a clip that is not specified. To do this, all you need to do is to come down over here and hit generate keyframes. And automatically, you will notice that Premiere Pro has created keyframes that balances the audio level of the background music with reference to the audio of my vocals over here. So this is what I mean. Wherever I'm not speaking over here, where there are silences over here, you will notice that the background music goes above normal. And wherever I'm speaking, where you can hear my voice, you can see that the music is being dropped down. And over here that I'm not speaking, the music goes up. Where I begin to speak, the music goes back down. And it's the same process all over the entire clip. And if I play this clip, you would hear that the background music does not interfere with my voice. And that's it, guys, on how to dock audio in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.